Are you looking for relief from stress? Try yoga. This pose effectively restores equilibrium in the nervous system and relaxes the spine. The bolster helps you to let go of the use of muscular effort and focus on deepening your relaxation in the posture. Please remember to consult your physician before starting any new practice. Place the bolster onto the right side of the mat and come to lie onto your back. Stretching the legs out. Bend the left knee and then gently roll until you can feel the knee is resting onto the bolster. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, look to the left side. Allow a nice twist through the whole spine. To come out of the posture, take the leg back and then repeat on to the other side.